Hi everyone, how are you? I hope all are fine. So, see here, today we are going to see a new chapter, that is chapter 7, solid shapes. Okay, shapes, we are going to see shapes. Already you learned shapes, right? What are the shapes you learned? Square, triangle, rectangle, circle. This much you learned in grade 1. Am I correct? Yes. So, little more shapes you are going to see here. Okay. So, till now we completed 6 chapter. So, after finishing 8 chapter, again we will recall all the sums. Okay. That measurement lesson and all more worksheets are there. So that and all again I will revise. So don't worry about that. Okay. Okay students. Okay. Now listen carefully. The 7th chapter is solid shapes. Okay. So you have to learn the shapes. What are the shapes are there? See here. Cube. This is cube, right? Yes. 3D shape. Cube. Then triangle. This is sphere, square, cuboid, cone, rectangle, cylinder. Okay. So, here plane shapes and solid shapes both are given. Am I correct? Yes. Solid shapes means what? First is solid shapes and plane shapes means only one side. Yes. Not 3D shape, only one side is given, that is called plane shapes. See here, triangle, square and all, only one sides and corners are there, right? In triangle also sides and corners are there, right? Yes. So plane shapes means only sides and corners are there, that is called plane shapes. See here, you have to tick the plane shape means what? Triangle, square, rectangle. These three are what shape? Plane shapes. Okay. But you compare this cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder. In these all the shapes we have face, vertex, edge. Okay. What are all the properties? Face, vertex, edge. Okay. These are all solid shapes. What are the properties are there? Face, vertex and edge. Okay. So solid shapes means what? What are all the properties are there? Face, vertex and edge. Am I correct? Yes. So see here, 5 types of solid shapes are there. Okay. So cuboid, cube, sphere, cylinder, cone. Okay. Cuboid, cube, sphere, cylinder, cone. These types are there in solid shapes. In solid shapes, 3-dimensional shapes are there. Okay. 3-dimensional shapes that have length, breadth and depth. These are called solid shapes. Okay. Understood? Yes. So, face means what? Flat surface is called as face. Okay. We will see in the next page. It's there. Okay. So, we will see. So, how many types are there? Cuboid, cube, sphere, cylinder, cone. You have to know the spelling also. Okay. From these shapes, properties. What are all the properties are there? Face, vertex, edge. Face, vertex, edge. Okay. Once again listen carefully. This is cuboid, cube, sphere, cylinder, cone. Okay. Now shall we go for the next one? We will see first cube. Okay. First we will see cube. See here, cube. So this is cube, right? Yes, this is cube. So which one is vertex, which one is edge, which one is face? We are going to see. So see here, this is a vertex of the cube. See here, it's given clearly. See here, vertex means this is. Edge means this one. So face means this one is a face. So 3 properties are there in cube, right? In all the shapes, 3 properties are there. So this is cube. Yes. So this is vertex is there, edge and face. So how many vertex and how many edge and how many face? You have to identify in cube. You have to know. You have to learn. Okay. So see here, cube is a solid shape, right? Yes. How many vertexes and how many edge, how many face? See here, how many faces are there in cube means 6 faces. Okay, how many faces? 6 faces are there. Okay, understood? Then what are they? This is one side, this one is another side. Is it correct? Yes, this one side, this is face, then this side also face, then this side, then above, below, like that cube will be there, right? So how many faces are there? 6 faces are there. Okay, then how many vertices are there? 8 vertices are there. See here, 1 2 3 4, then below also 4. So 4 plus 4, 8. 8 vertices and 12 edges. Okay, how many edges are there? 12. This is edge. So you have to know 12 edges. So all the faces are of same size. So cube means 6 faces, 8 vertices, 12 edges, and all the faces are same size. All the sides are same. Okay, so cube is very easy, right? All the faces are same size. Then 6 faces, 8 vertices, 12 edges. That you have to know. Okay, that is called cube. In cuboid, this is cuboid. Okay, cuboid, like rectangle shape, it's a cuboid. Okay, so cuboid also, see here, not vertex, see here, corner. Okay, corner, corner, then edge, then face. Okay, so how many corners are there? How many corners? How many edges? How many face? We have to identify. So in a rectangle, already you know opposite sides are equal. In a rectangle, you know opposites. Here also like that. Opposite faces are same. Okay, opposite sides are same size. So how many faces? 6 faces, 8 vertices and 12 edges. Okay, same like cube. So cube and cuboid, which one is different? Size is different. In cube, square also, all the sides are equal. But in rectangle, if you, sorry, not rectangle, cuboid. If you are seeing cuboid means, see here, cuboid also, opposite sides are, in rectangle also the same, right? Opposite sides are, here also the same. Opposite faces are of same size. Okay, so faces and vertices and edges. Okay, vertex and corner, that are same only. Okay, so how many? 6 faces, 8 vertices and 12 edges. So cube and cuboid you know, right? 6, 8, 12. But size are equal in cube, but here opposite faces only equal. Okay, same size. Then cone, you know already, cone. Cap is in cone shape. Then cone ice creams are there. That and all looks like cone. So in cone, what are all there? It's there vertex, curved surface. This is curved surface, right? Yes, curved surface, circular edge, circular edge, circular face, circular face. Okay, so what are all the, in the cone, what is there? Vertex is there, curved surface, then circular edge, circular face. Okay, edge and face are there, but that is a circular edge and circular face. Here only edge and face, but here circular edge and face. So how many vertexes in cone? Only one vertex. How many circular edge? Only one. How many faces? 2 faces are there. Okay, 2 faces. So one vertex, one circular edge and 2 faces. 2 faces means one is circular face, another one is curved surface. Okay, so 2 faces. One is face and one is circular face. Okay, curved face and a circular face. This is circular, this is curved. So curved and circular is 2 faces. Then vertex 1. Then edge also 1. So in the cone, vertex is 1, circular edge is 1 and face is 2. Curved and circular. Okay, one is circular, one is curved. Okay, understood? So in cone, 1 vertex, 1 circular edge, then 2 faces. Okay, so tip of the cone, that is corner. This is corner, or you have to say as vertex. Okay, corner or vertex, both are same. Okay, then cylinder. So cylinder also, see here, circular face. This is also circular face, this is also circular face. Then circular edge. This is also circular edge. Then this is also circular edge. Yes. Then this is curved surface. This is curved surface. So totally how much? 2 circular edges. Then how many faces are there? 1, 2. Then curved surface also we have to take as face, right? So 2 circular edges and 3 faces are there in cylinder. Okay. So you have to learn. Okay. How many shapes? See here, in 5 shapes, first we learned cube, cuboid, then cone, then cylinder. In cylinder, 2 circular edge and 3 faces. Okay. So 2 circular faces are same. Am I correct? Yes. So that is called cylinder. Then in sphere means that is a circle, curved surface. Only one surface is there. Then it has, already you know, no edges, no corners, no vertices. Am I correct? Yes. So in a sphere, only one curved surface are there. That is called sphere. So what we learned? We learned cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder, sphere. This much we learned, right? So shall we go for the exercise sum? Yes. So see the first one. Name and write the properties of the solid shape. So picture is given. From that picture, this is what name? Cuboid. C-U-B-O-I-D. Cuboid. Yes. So in cuboid, how many faces, how many edges, how many vertex? That you know, right? Face 6, edge 12, vertex 8. You know, right? Cuboid, this is a cuboid. Face 6, edge 12, 8 vertex. Okay? Yes. Then this is cube. Am I correct? Yes, you have to write C-U-B-E. Cube. So in cube, how many faces, how many edges and how many vertex? Yes, 6 faces, 12 edges and 8. Both cube and cuboid are same. Only little different. What is that? Cuboid, the opposite sides are same. But in cube, all the faces are same. Okay? Understood? Written everyone? Cuboid. You have to know the spelling also. C-U-B-O-I-D. Cuboid. Then this is C-U-B-E. Cube. Understood now? Yes. Then shall we go for the next one? See here. This is cylinder. Cylinder. Yes. So you have to write C-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R. Cylinder. The first one is cylinder. So here how many face, how many edge, how many vertex? In cylinder how many faces are there? Yes. This one face, then curved surface. Yes. 3 faces are there in cylinder. So 3 you have to write. Then how many edges are there? Circular edges there now? 1 and 2. Yes. So 2 circular edges. So 2. Then vertex is there? Any corner is there in cylinder? No. So you have to write a 0. No edges are there in cylinder. So you have to write 0. So in cylinder, 3 faces, 2 edges. Yes? Yes. See here. This is cone. So you have to write C-O-N-E. Cone. Okay? C-O-N-E. Cone. How many faces? 2 faces. Am I correct? In cone, how many faces? 2 faces. 1 and 1 curved surface. That is 2 faces. Then edge. Only 1 edge. 1 corner. Edge, yes. This is this one edge, right? Yes. Circular edge. That is 1. Vertex. Only 1 corner. So 1. Vertex and corner are same. Okay. So 1. So in cone, 2 face, 1 edge, 1 vertex. So you have to learn all the shapes. Okay. Then name. This is what? Sphere. S-P-H-E-R-E. Sphere. How many face? 1 face. Then edge also no. Vertex also no. So 0, 0. Okay. So sphere, then face, then vertex. You have to write like this. Okay. So we learned 5 shapes. So all the 5 shapes you have to learn the spelling and face, edge, vertex. Okay. You have to learn. Okay. Understood? Yes. So next one, another one topic also there, roll, slide and stack. So some shapes that have curved surface, right, that can roll, right? See here, for example, this is spear. Spear will roll. Spear means, for example, ball. If you are throwing the ball will roll, right? Yes. Cylinder also roll. Cone also will be roll. So curved surface shapes can roll. Curved surface shapes can roll. But flat face shapes are only slide. It will not roll. Okay. Like for example, cuboid and all slide, right? That can slide. Only slide. Okay. So first you have to see. Then that is called roll. This is called roll, slide. Stack means what? Stack. See this example. See this picture. Bricks and all we will keep na like that. See here. On top we will arrange, right? Like that. Arrangement is called stacking. Okay. Stacking means arranging the solid shape one on top of the other. Like this we have to arrange. That is called stack. Okay. So shall we go for the exercise? Okay, see here, exercise 7.2. So here some objects are given. Indicate whether these objects can roll, slide, stack by putting a tick. So this will be rolling or sliding or stack. We have to mention. Okay. So first you have to see. This is what? This is book. Book will roll? No. Slide? Yes, it will slide because it is a flat face. So it can slide. So you have to tick slide. Then stack. Yes, we will keep like this on top, right? Book and all we will keep on top, right? So it is called stack. So you have to tick stack. Okay. So the answer is slide and stack. Then ice cream. Everyone likes ice cream, right? Yes. That will roll. So you have to tick roll. But slide and stack, it will not happen. So no need. Okay. So you have to tick roll. The next one, water bottle. Water bottle, you will roll, right? Yes. Then slide means yet it is a flat shape, right? Here flat face is there. So slide also there. So you have to tick slide. Okay. Yes. Then ball. It will roll. Yes. If we throw the ball means it will roll. So you have to tick. But flat face is there? No. Then stack? That also no. Okay. So next one. This is dice. Yes. Dice. So it will roll. It will roll. Yes. If you keep like this means it will roll. No. Right. So slide. It will slide. Yes. Flat face is there. Right. So this is correct. Okay, slide, that is correct. Then stack. Yes, we will keep it on the top. One by one we will keep, right? So that also correct. Stack. Okay, so slide and stack. Then coin. Coin, if you roll means it's like a spear, right? If you roll means it will roll. Then slide. Slide means it will slide? No. Yes. Then stack. Yes, we will keep it top of the one we will keep. The coin we will keep, right? So you have to tick. First one is roll and stack. Okay. No need to tick this and all. Okay. This and all no need to tick. Only tick this much. Okay. So book, slide and stack. Ice cream, roll. Bottle, roll, slide. Ball, roll. Then dice, slide, stack. Then coin, roll, stack. Okay, understood? Yes, very good. Then next, see, some worksheets are given. You have to do as a homework. This is, you have to write which shape is that. Cone or cube or cylinder or cuboid. Which one is that? You have to do. Okay. Then this also you have done. You have to identify. I have 6 faces, 8 vertices and 12 edges. Who am I? You have to identify this. This also it will be roll or slide. If you have time, you have to do. Okay. So you have to do the worksheet. Okay. So today we learned this lesson, 7th lesson. Am I correct? Yes. So next one is also new chapter, that is 8th. Data handling. This is very easy and simple chapter. That's why I am taking together. Okay. 7th and 8th chapter. That's why I am taking together, because this is very easy lesson. Then next week, next class onwards, fully will go through the chapters. Okay. Fully revision only. So don't worry about that. Okay. So next class onwards, all the worksheets I will be given to you. You have to do, and I will also do. Okay, so we will recall that one. So first, data handling. Okay, we will see the data handling. So data handling means what? Data means what? That is information. Some information we have to give. Okay, it can be presented in the form of list. What data handling means? We have to give the information, but that information can be presented in the form of list. Okay, list, we have to give the list. Okay, like that. That is called data. Okay, so see this exercise. Some data are given, you have to go through. See here, Richard has a farm. Okay, this is Richard. He has a farm. In his farm, he has sheep, he has hens, horse, ducks, cows. Like that, many of them are there in his farm. So can you help Richard to count the number of animals? You have to count the number of animals in his farm. How many sheep are there? How many hens are there? How many horses are there? How many ducks are there? Okay, we have to help Richard. So see here, sheep is there, right? So how many sheep are there? Just see here. How many sheep? Yes, here one white sheep and here one black sheep. So how many sheep? 2 sheep. 2 you have to write. Okay? Yes. The next one, hen. How many hens are there? 1, 2, 3. So you have to write 3. Okay? You have to list out the data. Okay? Then horse. How many horse? Yes, only 1. So you have to write 1. Then duck. How many ducks are there? Only 1. See here, 1 duck. So only 1. Then how many cow? 1, 2. So you have to write it as 2. Okay? Yes. Then use the list and answer the following question. The list are there, right? This is list. From that, some questions are given. You have to write. See here, name the animals that are equal in number. Equal in number, which animal is in equal number? 2. Here also 2, here also 2. Which animals are equal? Sheep and cow. So you have to write sheep, S-H-E-P, sheep, and C-O-W, cow. Sheep and cow. Okay. That name the animals that are equal in number. So sheep and cow are equal. So you have to write it as sheep and cow. Then next, anything is there? Yes, horse, duck, 1, 1. So you have to write horse, H-O-R-S-E, horse, and duck, D-U-C-K, duck. Okay, horse and duck. Then 3, anything is there? No, only 1 tree. So no need to write that. Okay, equal number only. The question asked like that only. Okay. So here, how many animals does Richard have in his farm? Totally how much? You have to add. Okay. 2 plus 3, how much? 2 in the mind, you have to take 3 finger. 2 after? 3, 4, 5. Then 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. Okay. So totally 9 animals are there in Richard's farm. Like that, you have to list it out. Okay. That list helps us to organize information about important things. Okay, that is called. So data means it is a information. So how you have to present in the form of list. That is called data handling. Okay, understood everyone? Yes. So here also worksheet is given. List of fishes in the aquarium are there, right? So from that fish, here pictures are given. So you have to see this fish in this aquarium. How many of them are there? You have to write the number. Okay. Then here also See here, some bat sanctuary. In that, what are all the things you saw in this picture? You have to number it. Okay, then this worksheet also, it's given the data. From that data, you have to answer the question. Okay, you have to do this one. So next class itself, we have to go through all the chapters. Okay, so no worry about that. Again and again we will practice. More time or there, so at that time we will revise. Okay, in this chapter if you have any doubt, you ask. Okay, thank you, bye bye.